One of the great things about Christmas is Christmas traditions. One of my favorite Christmas traditions is making tamales with the family.
Every year for Christmas, we go to my parents and eat dinner, and we watch Home Alone 2 that night.
Every year for my Christmas tradition, we always play Dirty Santa.
Every year I prepare a large dinner for all my family to come and eat and open up presents and enjoy the rest of the day.
We go to my uncle's house and celebrate there.
Every year for Christmas Eve, we stay up till 12 a.m. to open gifts.
We do stockings at the very end after all the gifts.
Every year on Christmas, we go to our grandparents' house to have breakfast and lunch and open presents there.
At this special time of year, we want to thank our clients like you for making our hearts fulfilled and our jobs that much easier. During this special season, whether you're celebrating Hanukkah, Christmas, Kwanzaa, or even Festivus, we want to remind you that we're here 24/7, and that's not just a number, it's a guarantee. From me, my family, and all of the Guarantee family, I wish you and your family a happy holiday.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
From Guarantee Restoration.
From Guarantee Restoration.
From Guarantee Restoration.
And the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within.